Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. I have a great song for you. AJR, a group of, I believe, 3 persons. They do The Big Goodbye. And AJR have been here on this channel before. They're very uplifting and playful, fun to cover as well. So we're gonna have a fun short time together here. We had a capo set on 3rd to match up with the sound. And with that, we have 6 different chords. So let's go into the chords, and we're gonna start with this G major 7. All right, so what you do here is to play 3rd fret on E string, and then with that finger I'm using, my mid finger, I'm muting the next A string, and just leaned on top of it, so it gets muted like that, and then I continue with open D, open G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Next chord will be E minor, and E minor goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E. We have the B minor 7 next. It's a bar chord, so you place the index finger on the 2nd fret and push down all strings except for the last E string here in the bass. And then you need to add 4th on D and 3rd on B. And then we have the C major 7. And that will be 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And these are the 4 main chords, and this chord pattern goes pretty much 90% of the song with these 4 chords. But then we need to throw in 2 more chords. We're gonna play D as well. So that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And then finally we have the A minor. And that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, so let's learn the strumming pattern first, and we're gonna have a 2-part strumming. So we're gonna use the first 2 chords here to learn them. So that will be the G major 7, and then go over to the E minor. So G major 7, part 1 will be like this. And that's it. So down, down, clap. Okay, very simple. And then you shift chord, in this case, to the E minor, and play part 2, which will be 3 downs, clap, and 1 down. So together, down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down. All right, so there we have the strumming. Now let's go into the verse and learn this main chord progression play. So we have the G major part 1, the E minor part 2, we already learned that. And then we're going to apply the same principles on the next 2 chords, the B minor 7 part 1, the down, down, clap, and then the C major 7 part 2, the down, 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 clap, down. So that 4 chords, G major, E minor, B minor, and C major, will be this main chord progression here in the verse. Let's play that together, and it goes like this. Again. All right, so there you have it. I believe you play 4 rounds of that chord progression before you hit the first pre-chorus, and I should be so happy. That's where you're on the lyric, 1 minute and 4 seconds in. Now what you're gonna do is to play 1 down of C major 7 with a pause afterwards, and then 1 down on the B minor with a pause afterwards, and then finally 1 down on A minor with a double pause. Okay, you have to listen for how long the pauses will last, and you're gonna play that for 2 rounds. So again, and then comes the chorus at 1 minute and 18 seconds in. What you're gonna play here is to play the verse play we learned, this G major, E minor, B minor, C major, for 7 rounds. Okay, we know how to play it by now. That's the first 7 rounds, and then you're gonna finish off with 1 down on E minor, 1 down on D, 1 down on C major, and a longer pause there, and then you're gonna play 1 down on A minor and 1 down on C major, and that's the end, because then you're gonna go back to this main playing again, the verse play. So the timestamp for when this E minor, D, C major, A minor, C major happen is 1 minute and 55 seconds in, that's the first time, and then 3 minutes and 15 seconds in. That's the second and last time. And between all this playing here, we have that main corporation playing of G major, E minor, B minor, C major. And guess what, guys? That is how you handle AJR's The Big Goodbye. I hope they're not serious about the goodbye. I hope they will be back. I will be that for sure. I hope you will be here as well. So thank you for support, guys. Until next time, play tuned.